everyone. It's Gillian at Gillian's Art Flow. You're so far away. I have got an enormous canvas. No, it's a canvas that I've had for about 15 years that I bought. You know when you need to put art on the wall and you haven't got a lot of money, so you go to one of the big department stores and you buy one of their really cheap paintings. It was that, and I loved it, and it had a picture of a lily on it, so it was nice, but I've decided to use it. Guys, I'm just measuring it because I don't even know how big it is. Oh my God, it's way bigger than my inside leg measurement. It's 44. Really? Really? By 33? What? Oh my God. I'm going to need sat-nav. What am I going to do? Oh, I have no idea what I'm doing. I know what I want to do. I want to gradiate it. Gradiate? Gradiate. I want to gradiate. I like the word gradiate. Let's all use that. So I'm going to gradiate it down. I'm not sure if I'm coming, I don't know, but I'm going to gradiate it down with various shades of blue, maybe a little bit of purple, I don't know. And then once that has dried, I am planning doing a swipe in the middle of it. Just going to go down into my paint cellar, collect some paints. Be back in a minute. Oh my God, was that convincing?
Shore. It was calling me aboard, and as I climbed inside I saw you sitting there. In a daydream you were lost.
I'm seriously going to claim the other one as my mad twin. We've got to have a laugh, guys, haven't we? So I just wanted to pop on and let you know that I've never done gradiating, whatever, before. This was the first time, and I was super pleased at how it turned out. There was a couple of things that I learnt along the way. The first was to basically not dump half a pot of white paint in the middle of your canvas if you don't actually intend painting the canvas white. There was a little bit too much, but it still worked out okay. And the second thing was how wet the paintbrush was, and it's really hard to quantify for you how wet you have the paintbrush, but I did realize at one point that have your paintbrush wet enough that you don't really see the brush strokes, but don't have it too wet that the paint's sloshing around. It's something really that I think you'd have to play with, and I think with every one that you do, I think you have to adjust somewhat.
Paper and your pen, but you laughed instead. I dried my glasses off, before my world came back in focus. You were there. conversation in my head. But I think I said, I think I said, I think I. Ooh, do you feel it? Do you feel it? Ooh, do you see me here? Do you see me here? Ooh, do you feel it on this steamboat? Baby, I will dream of you tonight. I don't know you, but I wanna turn the tide. And baby, I will dream of you tonight. I don't know you, but I wanna make you mine. Na, 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 make you mine, make you. Oh, do you feel it? Do you feel it? Oh, do you see me here? Oh, do you feel it on this steamboat? On this steamboat, this steamboat, this steamboat, on this steamboat. Steamboat sailed ashore. It was calling me aboard.
Right, so here we are. I'm kind of half sideways on, so you can see I have a window right there. and it's shining, so that's where you're getting it. So it's finished, it's dry, it's on the wall. Now, some interesting stuff going on. So we have these beautiful cells here within the deep violet, but also look here, we have cracking. So, and all along this central bit, I'll try to do this without moving, more cracking. You see all this cracking. Now that's because there was too much paint on this central bit. I also think that it's possible that to do with the fact that it was a pre-used canvas, and I didn't gesso before I painted. I just put a coat of normal white paint on. You can really see here. Now this, where you can see there's bits of the paint missing in here. This bit, I don't know if it's pulled it up, it's very, very textured. Now, what I did was I came back to the painting about half an hour after I turned the camera off and added, no, that's wrong, I didn't. When I turned the camera off, I added the black bit through the middle because I thought there was something missing. So I added that, left it about half hour, came back upstairs and went, oh my gosh, that looks really pretty, and stupidly picked the canvas up and tilted it, which then caused the paint to move, but it was semi-tacky, so it's ridged. So you can't, I think you can see it. It is actually textured, and where the paint has cracked, there's a crack. You can see all the cracks right along here and up here. This is textured, it's raised up, this bit. This is the canvas underneath it, you see. But honestly, for me, it adds something to the painting. It adds something to the painting. So there we have it. There it is dried. Let me know down below what you think about it. I think the background dried really well. I'm really pleased on the background that it wasn't, the brush strokes weren't as bad as I thought they were going to be. But you can tell that that bit right there is where I had my brush slightly wetter than I had it in other places. But honestly, yeah, I'm pleased with it. Definitely want to try the technique of the background again. I hope you enjoy watching. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below, guys. Let me know how you think I did.